Good morning, students. Today I'll present you lesson number 8, Gulliver in Lilliput. This is on page number 30 of Rainbow of 6th class. Let's start the lesson. Once there was a sailor named Gulliver. He went on a long voyage with his fellow seamen. One day there was a fierce storm at the sea. एक बार एक नाविक था जिसका नाम गुलिवर था. वो समुद्र यात्रा पर निकला अपने साथी नाविकों के साथ. एक दिन समुद्र में भयंकर तूफान आ गया. His ship sank, but Gulliver swam to nearby island. It was called Lilliput. When he reached there, he was very tired. He soon fell asleep. While he was sleeping, hundreds of very tiny people came there and tied him with ropes. When he woke up, he was surprised to see such tiny people. He soon became friends with them. अब उसका जहाज डूब गया था, लेकिन वह तैरकर पास के द्वीप में चला गया था. उस द्वीप का नाम लिलीपुट था. जब वो वहाँ पहुँचा तो बहुत थक गया था. जल्दी ही उसे नींद आ गई. जब वह सो रहा था तो वहाँ हजारों लोगों की संख्या में छोटे छोटे लोग आए और उसे रस्सियों से बांध दिया. जब वह जागा तो उसे बड़ा ताज्जुब हुआ कि वहाँ के आदमी कितने छोटे छोटे हैं. यह देखकर जल्दी ही वो उनका मित्र बन गया. They untied the ropes and gave him food. Their loaves of bread were so tiny that he ate 10 loaves at a time. For lunch, he ate 1,000 loaves of bread, 100 cauliflowers, and 100 sheep. अब उन लोगों ने उसे खोल दिया और खाने के लिए भोजन दिया. उनके ब्रेड इतने छोटे थे कि वो एक बार में 10 साबुत ब्रेड खा गया. लंच में उसने 1,000 ब्रेड के पीस मतलब लोव्स खाए, 100 फूल गोभी और 100 शीप भेड़ उसने लंच में खाई. The tiny people took him to their king and queen. The king's hands were so tiny that Gulliver had to use only one finger to shake hands. Everything was so small that he was like a giant among the people of Lilliput. These tiny people were very kind and helpful. They made a boat for him. It was time for Gulliver to leave for home. He was sad to leave his friends. अब वो लोग उसे अपने राजा और रानी के पास ले गए. राजा का हाथ इतना छोटा था कि उसे हाथ मिलाने के लिए सिर्फ उंगली का प्रयोग करना पड़ा. हर एक चीज इतनी छोटी थी कि वह वहाँ के लोगों में एक दैत्य की तरह दिखाई दे रहा था. वो लोग बहुत ही दयावान और सहायता करने वाले थे. उन्होंने उसके लिए नाव बनाई. अब उसके जाने का समय आ गया था. अब उसे अपने दोस्तों को छोड़ना था. छोड़ते समय उसे बड़ा दुख हो रहा था. He got into the boat and sailed off as the tiny people waved him goodbye. अब वो जहाज में बैठ गया और यात्रा शुरू कर दी और वहाँ के लोगों ने उसे गुड बाय में हाथ हिलाया. This was about the lesson. Let us discuss the new words. Sailor, नाविक. Voyage, समुद्र यात्रा. Seaman, नाविक. Fierce, Bhayankar, Storm, Tufan, Island, Dweep, Sank, डूब गया, टाइड बांध दिया, अनटाइड खोल दिया, लोव्स ब्रेड के साबुत ब्रेड, कॉलीफ्लावर फूल गोभी, सेल्ड ऑफ यात्रा शुरू की। अब हम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स की बात करेंगे। व्हाट वाज द नेम ऑफ द सेलर? द सेलर्स नेम वाज गुलिबर। नेम द आइलैंड गुलिबर reached after storm. It was Lilliput. What was the people of Lilliput like? The people of Lilliput were very tiny, but they proved out to be very kind and helpful. What did Gulliver eat for lunch? Gulliver ate 1,000 loaves, 100 cauliflowers, and 100 sheep. According to you, what was the funniest thing about the people of Lilliput? Well, the funniest thing was they thought their thread like rope will hold Gulliver for a long time. This was the most funny thing, funniest thing. Now, correct the following sentences and rewrite. Gulliver was a pilot. No, Gulliver was a sailor. Gulliver tied the tiny people. Tiny people tied Gulliver. The tiny people were not helpful. The tiny people were helpful. The king made a boat for Gulliver. The tiny people made a boat for Gulliver. Now, question answer. Now, the homophones. Words having the same pronunciation but different meanings are called homophones. Use the homophones to make your own sentence. 8, 8. I bought 8 bananas from the grocer. She ate porridge with curd in lunch. Tail, tail. The dog wagged its bushy tail. It was an old tale of generous king. No, no. I know the rules of the game. There was no one to receive guests. Hole, hole. The whole tribe bent on their knees to respect us. There was a hole in Akshay's shirt. Right, right. The teacher asked us to write 2 paragraphs. It was a right decision. See, see. Did you see the flash of light in the sky? The sea was calm when we reached there. Language practice. Frame questions for the statement using what, when, by, and where. One is done for you. Akshay plays hockey in the evening. When does Akshay play hockey? Shalu's box is in her bag. Shalu's Where is Shalu's bag? Varun likes to play football. What does Varun like to play? Ashu went to buy vegetables. Why did Ashu go to market? Rita will be at her uncle's house. Where will Rita be? Read the following passage and answer the given question. There was a parrot named Mithu. Mithu loved to eat green chilies. It loved to fly. It had beautiful green feathers and a red beak. What was the name of the parrot? The name of the parrot was Mithu. What did it love to eat? It loved to eat green chilies. What was the color of its beak? It was red color. Now, activity. Making a cup of tea. Complete the composition with the help of words given in the box. The words are sip, boils, water, strainer, milk, tea, sugar, stove. Now, pour water in a kettle. Place the kettle on the stove. When the water boils, add tea leaves to it. Now add milk and let it boil. Add sugar and boil for a few more minutes. Now tea is ready to serve. Take a strainer and pour the tea into the cup. Now enjoy the sip. That's all in the lesson. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.